Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome to my bio with Danish channel. In this video my topic which we start about memory. What is human memory? Derived from human memory. So now I will start my topic. The article is about human memory for other users and memory. Memory is the facility of the mind by which data or information is encoded, stored and retrieved which when he needed it. It is the retention of information over the time of the purpose of influencing future actions. If past events could not be remembered, it would be impossible for language, relationships, or personal identity to develop. Memory loss is usually described as forgetfulness or amnesia. Amnesia memory is often understood as the informational processing system with explicit and implicit functioning that is made up of a sensory processor, short-term or working memory, and long-term memory. This can be related to the neuron. The sensory processor allows information from the outside world be sensed in the form of chemical and physical stimuli and attended to various levels of focus and intent. Working memory serves as an encoding and retrieval processor. Information in the form of stimuli is encoded in accordance with explicit or implicit functions by the working memory processor. The working memory also retrieves information from the previously stored material. Finally, the function of long-term memory is to store through various categorical and models or systems. Active or explicit memory is the conscious storage and recollection of data. Under declarative memory resides semantic and explorative memory. Semantic memory refers to memory that is encoded with specific meaning. Meanwhile, episodic memory refers to information that is encoded along a spatial and temporal plan. Declarative memory is usually the planned process through of when referencing memory. Non-declarative or implicate memory is the unconspicuous storage and recollection of information. An example of a non-declarative processor would be the unconspicuous learning or retrieval or information by way of continual memory or a priming phenomenon. Priming is the process of subtlety using specific responsive for memory and shows that not all memory is consequently activated. The whereas procedural memory is the slow and gradual learning of skills that often occur without conscious attention to learning. Memory is not a perfect processor and is affected by many factors. The ways of which information is encoded, stored and retrieved can all be corrupted. Pain, for example, has been identified as a physical condition that impairs memory and has been noted in animal models as well as chronic pain patients. The amount of attention given new stimuli can diminish the amount of information that becomes encoded for storage. Also, the storage process can become corrupted of physical damage to areas of the brain that are associated with the memory of storage, such as hippocampus. Finally, the retrieval of information from long-term memory can be disrupted because of decay within long-term memory. Normal functioning, decay over time, and brain damage all affect the accuracy and capacity of the memory. Sensory memory. Sensory memory holds information derived from the senses less than 1 second after an item is perceived. The ability to look to an item and remember what it looked like with just a split second observation or memorization is an example of sensory memory. It is out of cognitive control and is an automatic response with very short presentations. Participants often report that they seem to see more than they can actually report. So friends, how is my topic about human memory? If you like this topic, so subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. So now I am go to my another video. Allah Hafiz.